Welcome to Learn Brizy with me, JP. In the latest update of Brizy WordPress 2.4, we have an additional feature when it comes to content alignment within a column. Let me show you how that works. I've got two columns here. I've got some information, an image, and some text under that. And then I have probably here a big heading in the right with a call to action button. What the alignment for the content in the column allows us to do, and let's go to the settings and select here where you see the settings cog. Here, content is currently set to the top, and this is actually a feature that I use a lot, especially when I'm creating hero sections, that you often want the content in the emptier side to appear in the middle, like so, and then many cases also at the bottom. This isn't new. What is new is this one over here. This will take whatever you have inside and spread it out from the top all the way to the bottom. There are times when this is something that you may want to use as an effect on your page, especially maybe for blog posts where you have a background image in the column, you have text at the bottom, and your call to action at the bottom. A little extra addition to the content alignment for columns in Brizy 2.4. From me, JP, go well and stay safe.